everybody, I'm Valerie Pang, GFI's Innovation Associate. We're out here at SGProtein, Southeast Asia's first large-scale, high-moisture extrusion contract manufacturing facility for plant-based meat. I'm so proud that Singapore is leading the way in a more secure and future-proof food system. Given that Singapore has relied heavily on food imports historically, this is a really important step. Let's take a look around. Accelerating production of plant-based meat is a key part of making a more sustainable, secure, and just protein supply. This is because raising animals for food requires an extraordinary amount of land, food, and water. By making meat directly from plants like this facility does and taking animals out of the equation, we're able to make much more food with fewer resources. The challenge is that Asia has a skyrocketing demand for sustainable protein. This requires building enormous facilities capable of producing locally relevant plant-based products at an unprecedented scale. How much capacity do we need? Well, according to a new report by the Good Food Institute, replacing even 6% of the world's total meat production with plant-based meat by 2030 would require the equivalent of more than 2,000 SGProtein-sized factories. Only through a monumental shift in manufacturing capacity will we be able to pump out the 25 million metric tons of product that we are projected to need by the end of this decade.
Plant-based is a very new industry and just developing very quick, but with developing fast, the infrastructure has to be built as well. And as we want to go really industrial to help to bring the scale up and costs down, and therefore SGProtein is an ecosystem player to do contract manufacturing and white label supply for the plant-based industry with specialty in high moisture extrusion.
So the really exciting thing about the high moisture extrusion is that with only 5 ingredients you can create a texture that is fibrous, just like chicken. See?
Asian palate is extremely diverse, and we understand that Asians have different preferences based on cultures, and therefore we want to ensure that our products can suit into local cuisines as well as the different cooking styles.
Manufacturing hubs across the region should look to SGProtein's bold example and invest the necessary resources required to build sustainable food factories. In this way, our region could lead the world in alternative protein production and deliver the future of meat. In short, we need more investments and we need it now.